Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify username using your Spotify app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, open up your Spotify app as you normally would. Make sure you're on the home tab here, and now click onto your user icon, top left hand corner of the page. So here's my username, so I'm going to click on view profile. And now from here, we want to click on my name. So I'm going to click on Luke. And now that's going to make me get into the edit profile section. And where it says name, I can change it here to something different. So for example, I'm going to change it to tutorial whiz. And now just simply go ahead and click save. And there you go, I've successfully changed my username to tutorial whiz.